Welcome back to a Tomboy Rex. I'm a Tomboy and this is my reaction channel. Of course, on tap we have today Thunderstruck by Steven Seagulls. No, not Steven Seagal, as you would think. Steven Seagulls. My friend recommended this to me. I've already sent the meme about the name, so we're in for a crazy ride according to her. So let's just get on into it. My man's got the tractor. This man on a riding lawnmower. Okay. What? No. Look at the hat. Wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. Did you just see the scene we pulled up in? Like, did you just see? Why did we? I know this the country. I done lived in the country. I still live partly in the country. This is country. Okay. I don't know what I got myself into, but let's get it. Oh my god. Why is his face looking like that? He said, oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. This man got the accordion.
In the middle of the railroad track.
The middle of the railroad track.
And I knew there was no turning back.
Wait a minute. Let me turn. Wait a minute. Cause hold
I
on.
was caught in the middle of the railroad track.
Right.
Around, and I knew there was no turning back.
My man got the banjo, the drums.
And I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you.
Hey, why he killing it though? Why he killing this
Sound of the
though?
drums beating my heart.
Ooh.
The thunder of guns tore me.
Hey, he hitting that bass hard in the background. You see the doom. My man's with the 808s. He provided that 808s. I just don't know what we got going on here, but I'm loving it. I love the aesthetic that they going for. I wonder do they do, cause this is a cover song. She told me it was a cover song, but I asked her not to tell me what cover song it was, cause I wanted to do a raw reaction like I always do. Anytime you see me react to a video, I've never heard of it, seen it, and the only thing I might see is a small clip. So I have heard this before. I just can't. It's like the name of it is on the tip of my tongue, but I can't think of it right now. So that's why I'm not reacting as much to the lyrics, because I've heard the original. I feel like before. I can't remember all the lyrics because that track threw me off. But I have like, it's familiar. It's familiar to me. It's familiar. Wait a minute.
Tore me apart.
Why they look like they just woke up from bed and got together and be like, hey boys, you want to record this song real quick? That's what it looks like.
You've been
My man, of course, he got tape on it.
Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town.
Hey, they clean. They clean with it.
Yeah, Texas, and we had some fun.
They clean with it.
Girls, some dancers who gave a good time.
Uh-oh, they made some girls and gave them a good time.
All the fools, yeah, they.
Hey, you know the song hit when you go. Mine said, yeah, baby.
I was shaking at the knees.
Ooh.
Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck.
Hey,
Thunderstruck.
let's get it.
Thunderstruck.
Hey, hey, you can say whatever you want. They clean with it.
Could I come again, please?
Hey, wait a minute. Why does it sound like something I hear at the fair? I hear that the talent show at the fair. That's what this sounds like. And this hat killing me. I didn't. La 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 la. Oh. Yeah.
You've been thunderstruck.
Thunderstruck. Go, go, yo.
Say yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck.
Hey, he playing that. He playing that ukuleles and banjos.
Thunderstruck. 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 You've been thunderstruck.
I mean, and are these like specialty made? Cause it don't look like a ukulele and banjo as far as the detailed like the construction of it is different, but it sound like it. Y'all see that? And like this banjo look like a full blown guitar that he made to look like a banjo. It's like their shtick might be just like, a country band. Like, that's what it might be. Yo, listen. Uh, yo, listen. That was fire. That was fire. I enjoyed that. I'm gonna have to go listen to the original. I will have to go listen to the original to brush up and know what song they covered specifically, like for sure. And I might put that reaction up there. But like I said, I do kind of remember hearing it before, so I don't know. But y'all can let me know if y'all want to see that. Um, that was Thunderstruck by Steven Seagulls. And I'm trying to figure out who came up with this name. Who was the culprit behind Steven Seagulls? Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe. I ask of you. And I will see y'all later. Peace. Thunderstruck.